Well, as you can see here, and I'm being very, very closely monitored by my mate, this is one of the most iconic Australian animals you could hope to see. It is the beautiful frillneck dragon or frillneck lizard. Now, if I get my finger here and just gently go underneath, you can see all this loose skin around here. That's actually the frill that will come out and around the head of the dragon. Now, the reason that this frill's not out at the moment, which is really good, is because this frillneck lizard doesn't see me as a threat. Quite happy to sit here, show off, and as you can see, likes a little bit of a scratch. So what happens in the wild, these guys have a number of ways in which they actually try and avoid predators. Now, the first way, you can see that skin's quite rough, different shades, different textures. Now, what these guys do, they'll sit up on a branch and they actually blend in really well with that branch and you can hardly see them. Now, if that predator's really, really determined to get that frillneck dragon, the next step it'll do, it'll jump down onto the ground and using those hind legs, it'll actually run along on its back feet. And if that doesn't work and the lizard gets cornered, its last resort then is to actually look big and fierce. What it does, it puts up that great big frill, it opens that mouth, which is bright yellow, and tries to look intimidating. And that often works. Because keep in mind, these lizards get quite big. In fact, these ones can get to about 90 centimetres or about 3 feet. This one here is a little female. Now, her and her sister are here in the terrariums in the science place, and they're about 6 months old. So as you can see, they're only about sort of, I suppose, 40 centimetres long at the most with that tail. So they can get to about double this size. But I'll tell you what, look, from shinglebacks to frillneck lizards to green pythons to frogs, honestly, there is something for everyone here, and you will not get more iconic Australian than the frillneck dragon. So come down and say good day because they are fantastic.